This is Ekene Innocent Chima. I am alive by the grace of God.
Good day, everyone. Mazezoke once more, bringing this update to us. I made a video 2 days ago stating that our brother, and that video was done in Igbo by the way, stating that the man many of you saw on your WhatsApp phone being threatened that his life will be taken if they do not pay the money that the Pakistani man said, they owned him, that by yesterday being the 10th, that they would delete him. I made that video saying to confirm to us, because many of us were agitated. We were scrambling right, left, and center. Some started contacting the Nigerian embassy in Pakistan. Some started contacting the Minister of External Affairs. Again, I don't want to mention what what went on the background. Now, when I made that video and I read a couple of comments saying that no, many of you said you don't believe that this man is alive, that is Ekene, that you want him to do a video for proof of life in order to even know that those contributing money that he is still alive. Okay? So that video is what you want to see. I have that video for you. Some of the doubting Thomases. One thing I want us to know is, as long as this channel is concerned, Njenje Media, what we do is we authenticate the news without naming sources and make sure that every single news we publish here is authentic. We know the implication of publishing something that is false and probably been sued. That's why I can bring to you this evening, being the 11th of July 2020, today is Saturday, and you will see that this individual is alive. However, watching him once more, and I can tell you that his left hand, probably by the way he was handcuffed to his back, and from the injury he sustained, while he was still begging for his life, that hand, something must have happened to him. My prayer is that this hand obviously would heal. On a final note, he said something very instructive. He said he never knew that Andrew, that means the man that left with the market that is in question, that he never knew that Andrew will put him in trouble. My brother, whether you knew that Andrew will put you in trouble or you don't, now God has given you a second chance. The second chance is walk away from that line of business. Walk away from that line of business. You are lucky this time. Next time, you might not be too lucky. Again, you might dislike what I'm saying. You might like it. It's up to you. My advice is from a lot of life experience that I'm talking from. Walk away from this line of business. Next time, whether you are directly involved or you are taking surety for someone, you might not be alive to tell the story. Once more, thank God for keeping you alive. And now, watch him speak to us. I remain Mazezoke, signing up.
My people, my brothers in Nigeria, in Akuku, I sincerely appreciate you people. This shows that you people are God sent to me. I appreciate all of you one by one. This is Ekene Innocent Chima. I am alive by the grace of God. What happened to me that day did not claim my life. I was alive. It's just a mistake that I did to come for Andrew as a guarantor. I never knew that it's going to be like this. But my boss, the Alhaji that I come to in his place, he's a good man. Let's face the reality. It's just that he is looking for his money. I cannot blame him. But the truth about it, my people, is that I'm alive. I appreciate all of you. and I hear what you people say, that you people are trying to gather the money. God will bless anybody that I hear his voice there. This God in heaven will never forget you people. That gathering that I see Chief there, and I see Chinedu there, and I see Cosmas, and I see Dede. Let me start with Chief. Chief, as you are hearing this thing, God will bless you. Anywhere you go, if God forgets to bless you, know that I'm not serving God. Chinedu, my cousin, God will bless you. Dede, all of you, both the Akama guy that talk, all of you that I see there, God will seriously bless you people.